Hi guys, here 6 plus 18 is 24 divided by 3 plus 3 in bracket times 2 minus 5. Here 24 divided by this 3 plus 3 is 6 times this 2 minus 5. Here this 24 divided by 6 is 4 times this 2 minus 5. Here this 4 times 2 is 8 minus 5 is 3 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 3 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. Here this is a bracket, higher priority than other operation. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in the correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority, so we have to do this bracket before any other operation. So 6 plus 18 divided by this 3 plus 3 is 6 times 2 minus 5. Here next priority is exponent. We don't have the exponent in this problem. Here next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have addition, division, multiplication and subtraction. Here division and multiplications are higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication division before this addition and subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is 18 divided by 6. Here 6 plus 18 divided by 6 is 3 times 2 minus 5. Here we have addition, multiplication and subtraction. Here multiplication is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition and subtraction. So 6 plus this 3 times 2 is 6 minus 5. Here we have addition and subtraction. Both are here equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right. Here left to right is this 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 is 12 minus 5. Here 12 minus 5 is 7 is the correct answer.